During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition, the tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodlake, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Bradford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Oakdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to regular programming. Tornado warning for all counties in northern Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, this is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's severe weather. You will be given information about the location and path of the storm and safe actions to take. This is a test message. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Bradford, DeKalb, Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange, Marshall, Miami, Noble, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, Steuben, Wabash, Wells, and Whitley. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Benton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana. This potential tornado warning, you would be given information about the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is a communications exercise to ensure tornado warnings can be properly disseminated and received into test warning systems. At this time, please review your tornado at your place of business or at your school. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Forgor, Indiana. This is NOAA Weather Radio. Potentially severe weather. Special receivers are activated weather service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blatford, Glasgow, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information. We now return to regular programming. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fulton County, Indiana, eastern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Marshall County, Indiana, until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Winnipeg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochester, Knox, Winnipeg, Argus, Colbert, Glasgow, Walnut, Elk Grove, Ripley, Fulton, Monterey, Lighters Ford, Beardstown, Ober, Denham, Hibbert, Winneba, Geelong, and Lake Bruce. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 41, effective until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Fulton and Marshall. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet source severe weather information.